This driver acts aggressively and incomprehensible even though she has a child on seat next to her.
Run me over. Jumping lanes and trying to run me over. What an example to set for your kid.
That's so fun.
You set that example for your kid, do you?
Fine, mate. Thanks for bashing in my windscreen.
Your windscreen? What? After you tried to kill me on the road, I've got the whole thing recorded on the chin cam. Hey?
How were you trying not to kill me?
How?
The exact same thing. You could see that I was merging into that lane and you cut.
You mean merging or trying to run me over?
This pedestrian couldn't handle the biker's behavior and decided to react strongly.
Fai!
L'ho detto una volta.
Cosa vuol dire?
L'ho detto una volta.
Cosa vuol dire?
Mi hai preso per il culo.
Cosa vuol dire? Ma non mi tocchi, hai capito, testa di cazzo? No, ascolta un cazzo. Ascolta.
Posso il cane, togli il casco se vuoi, posso...
Ma stai scherzando?
Sto scherzando, te l'ho già detto una volta. Te l'ho detto una...
Ma non mi viene a tirare uno schiaffo, testa di cazzo, hai capito?
Non hai capito con chi stai parlando. Tu
Con chi sto parlando?
questo non lo fai.
Con chi sto parlando?
Così faccio fare un giro con il cane. Se vuoi mi fermo ci parliamo.
Vai!
That's an example of driver's bold behavior that is testing bikers' patience.
No, I want to go in there. I want to go in there. So you come here.
found out quickly that heavy braking on third wheel isn't the best idea. In this situation, insufficient caution on slippery road caused minor accident.
Godverdomme! She's a lul! Man!
And it's just really inspirational for me to see people going out there and doing nice things. Before I even started riding, I loved seeing videos of bikers doing nice things, and it made me like actually really like just the biker community in general.
This biker carrying bags for those in need became quite an interesting target for cops.
Ooh. How's it going? I did not. You got it, sir. Sorry about that. Hey, sorry, I couldn't hear you, and my rear views are kind of blocked by the bags too.
All good, man. That was why I stopped you. What's going on with all the bags?
You can feel free to look through them. I'm actually driving around right now, or riding around, and I'm giving out these care packages to some homeless people out here, trying to, you know, spread the season of giving and everything.
All right, man. You have your license on you, just easily accessible, or?
Yeah, it's right here in my fanny pack.
Can you eat it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my gloves off. That's all right. And set these bags down. They're falling off like crazy. I know it probably looks really weird. And like I said, you can feel free to look through them.
Where'd you stay at?
You need the registration and everything too?
No, it's all good.
Sure.
You ever in trouble with law before at all or anything?
Never.
Never? Okay.
Speeding tickets here and there is part of riding, but
How long you had the bike?
I had this since May.
May?
Yeah.
Where'd you buy it from?
I got it from San Diego Motorcycle Exchange.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just switched the plates, so I don't know if that's a problem or not, if it came up funny or whatever.
Did they reissue new plates or?
Oh, no, they're personalized plates. I just
Okay.
picked them up.
Okay. All right, cool, man. Hey, we've been getting motorcycles stolen like crazy.
Yeah.
Lately, man. So, but just be careful riding the bags like on your arms, just kind of dangerous. You know what I mean? So, but
No, I hear you.
All good. You're good to go, man. I just want to stop and talk. Make sure.
No, I appreciate what you do, officer, and I just want to make it clear, I had no idea if you had lit me up until I saw like a little flash, and then I was like, wait, was there a cop? And then I turned and saw you, so.
All good, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Happy holidays. Well, that was interesting. I don't know if I'm interrupting or anything, but I have one of these for you if you'd like. It's got a blanket in it, some snacks, stuff like that. Yeah, you know, in the spirit of giving.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And then there's also a card in there for you and everything like that. So
I really appreciate it.
yeah, happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
You too. Boss? Hey. I don't know if you mind, I have this little thing here for you. It's got a blanket in there, some snacks, a Christmas card. I'm just going around, you know, trying to spread the spirit of giving and Christmas and everything, so. Yeah,
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.